Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Meg. I really want to stop and talk to you guys, but I'm honestly moving so quick in this video, I just need to go ahead and get on with it. So today we're doing a wig video, and zee.elle kindly sent me this wig. This is not sponsored, they don't know I'm making this video, but they did send me this wig, and it is a 22 inch, 130 density human hair wig. It's called Silky Promise, and it's so bomb. You guys saw in the clips at the start, it's so bomb. So here I am, super happy and super excited. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I was so happy when I got this, literally so happy. So here's everything that comes in the box. You know, here's the wig. Oh, so beautiful. I still have it on right now, and honestly, it's so gorgeous. It's just the best thing ever, like literally ever. Here's me taking it out the box. Oh, she's beautiful. So with the zee.elle's wigs, they are literally just ready to wear out the box, but today I decided I wanted to install one because I've never installed a wig before, so I filmed it. Everyone thinks I'm really good at wigs and everyone always asks me for wig videos, but honestly I'm not actually that good, and you're gonna see, because I should have not been lazy and done the bald cap method, but I'm lazy and I decided to not do it, and it honestly just is my own fault. It's my own fault. I said to myself that I was going to do it, and then it came to it and I was like, oh, I can't be bothered. But I got paid back for it, because you can see the wig cap under the lace, because the lace is so transparent and the wig cap was a bit too dark for my skin tone, so you can tell. It doesn't look that bad right now, but like in a bit you'll see. So here I am, just clipping the bits out of the way and just giving it a bit of a pluck. Honestly, it didn't need anything, it didn't need plucking. I just thought that I would just go in just to be safe. So here's what she's looking like right now. Before I've got it laid, I'm just checking it out to see if it needs anything else before I begin to hot comb it. So this is the Kendra's Boutique hot comb. Please look at it. It's so beautiful, like, and it's so good. It's so good. It's just, I've never used a hot comb before. This is my first time ever using a hot comb, and it literally has taken my wig game to another level. Like, I'm definitely never going to go anywhere without a hot comb ever again. So now I'm just spraying down the flyaways with some Got2b. If you don't have this spray and you wear wigs, then what are you doing? You need that spray. I use that spray for everything, like literally everything. It's so good. So here we are. That parting, I hope I straighten it up because it's not great. So I'm just spraying all the flyaways back so that when I go to lay the wig, there will be no hair in the way. I'm just using the clips to secure that in place. Now I'm just pulling back the lace, and I'm going to get ready to put some Got2b there. I only use the spray, I don't use the glue anymore. Yeah, I only use the spray because the glue is just too messy, it's too sticky, and it just, I feel like it never comes off. So the spray is just fine. Like this, who the hell is messaging me? Sorry about that. The spray is just fine. It works the exact same, and it dries so much quicker. It literally takes 2 minutes to dry, not even that. You just put a couple layers of it on and you'll be good. So here I'm just spraying the spray over the lace and rubbing it in. I've seen someone do this and I really want to try it because theirs turned out so good. Mine didn't turn out as good, but it was still, I'm so happy I tried it. It still turned out good. It just saves me having to lift up the lace and put the glue under it and then like laying it on top, if you know what I mean, because it was all already in place. So I was just spraying it on and just rubbing it into the lace and then just drying it. Literally just hold the hairdryer on cold for about 20 seconds and it will just be set in place. It's so good. See, look, there you can see the wig cap. You can see that it's a bit darker. There I've just gone and cut off the lace, and now I'm gonna cut the ear holes. Ear holes are my downfall, like I always do them wrong. But to be honest, today I actually did okay. I couldn't do it on camera though because I just couldn't see what I was doing and I was too scared, because every time I do ear holes I always mess them up. Now I'm just spraying down the sides and gluing those down. guys have any video suggestions or you want me to do any other hair videos, let me know down below. I will get on them straight away. This is my first ever voiceover and I feel like it's going really bad. I feel like I'm really bad at voiceovers. Let me know down below if you prefer voiceovers or like my normal videos. Just let me know. So now we've done that and we've glued down the sides. Now I'm just going to clip away that hair and just cut a sideburn. It just makes it look so much more natural. I just use a face razor, like, you know, the eyebrow razors, just to razor them off. Oh, by the way guys, look at my ear please. It's been like that all day and I didn't notice. I think I had my wig like pulled too far down on one side. So look at my ear, it's so red. It literally looks like it's about to fall off, like it's lost all of its circulation. Look at my ear. Oh. What? I still look good though. My ear does look funny, but wow. Wow. Here's the final look guys, with makeup on as well. Wow. I did really good, I think. Let me know down below what you think. All of my socials will be linked down below as usual. And I will link zee.elle as well. Go and pick up one of their wigs. Honestly, you will not regret it. So yeah, go follow me on Instagram, go follow me over on TikTok, and make sure to subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!